The update for my senior project, my sentiment analysis tool API. The GitHub is currently updated to what the project is currently looking like. My main focus this week was to host my current demo on an AWS server. Learned a lot about AWS, learned a lot about its architecture, and learned that my function, because the dependencies are too big, will not host on a Lambda function. So I learned that this morning as I was like trying to set it all up and getting everything figured out and learning all this week and doing so much research. And then I tried and I was like, oh, it's too big. Okay. So now I'm going to be hosting it on the EC2 instance, which is good because I get to learn more about Linux and get to learn more about like hosting and managing a server in that way. I did work 12 hours this week because I was notified that I was a week behind. So I will work another 12 hours next week. That way I'll be fully caught up. That's 36 hours to date as of right now. Still 83 hours to completion. Next week's goals is to get it fully hosted and running on an EC2 server. If I'm able to get the API to call the EC2 server and get it all figured out, then I'm going to feel so much more confident. And that's for sure. A little bit of a setback, but not a setback that wasn't worth it. So like, because I like I said before, the challenger for this week was the dependencies being too big, but I do have a plan to make a web front end dashboard that will like show certain statistics and things. And I still might be able to use a Lambda function for data processing, just simple like calculation stuff that I don't need to like run my EC2 instance to make. But we'll see. I don't actually know. It's a great learning process. A little bit of a speed bump this week, but we're going to keep going. We're back on the horse and we're pushing forward. Because this was mostly hosting this week, there is no new demo. But if you refer to last week's report, you'll see that locally everything is still good and ready to go.